Hello students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. I'm really excited to share the last 50 days strategy. Myself Sandeep, sir, we have Prateek sir also. He will be sharing his thoughts on last 50 days strategy. Sir, can you please speak on the last 50 days strategy?
My dear students, as you are so much worried about reading in these last 50 days, you have already completed so much of content. Now you might be worried about how to plan your revision and how to plan your test series and even your schedule for these last 50 days. So me and Sandeep sir are here to help you. We will going to discuss on very important points. Just watch this video till the end to get full clarity about your last 50 days preparation strategy. So Sandeep sir, my first question to you is, if the student has already completed his 90% of the syllabus, right now in these last 50 days, what should be his focus area?
See sir, we have so many challenges.
Yeah.
But let us focus on the syllabus first.
Very good, sir.
So if you talk about engineering, mathematics and aptitude,
Yes,
we
sir.
have 25 marks.
Yes, sir.
And if you talk about the geotechnical or transportation or environmental, these three subjects also have a weightage of 30 marks. Sir, Prateek sir, here I have a question for you. Sir, see, as we are aware that what is the qualifying mark for GATE, sir, if you say?
Yeah, qualifying marks is just like 26 to 30 marks in between that.
So if they concentrate on like engineering, mathematics and aptitude,
Yes, sir.
they are almost or they are about to qualify. But see students, if you want to get into PSU or if you want to get into IIT, you have to do some extra attention to the three core subjects, that is geotechnical, environmental and transportation. Now I have a question for Prateek sir. Sir, Prateek sir, what should be the common strategy for every subject?
For every subject, sir, that's like a very genuine question, right? So I would just like to speak to you, my students. First of all, as Sandeep sir has just given you the weightage, first of all, allot your time as per the weightage of the subject. As sir has already told you that geotechnical engineering, transportation, environment, mathematics and aptitude are highly weighted subjects. So the time allocated in these last 50 days should be maximum for the revision of these subjects. And then there are subjects like structural analysis, water resource engineering, fluid mechanics, strength of material. These are like medium weighted subjects. So accordingly the time should be allocated for that. But my dear students, I tell you one game changing thing. You have subjects like construction material and management, surveying, RCC, steel structures, from where very easy questions are asked. So don't miss those areas. Just for the sake of allocation of time, always plan on these easy areas, because there will be three varieties of questions: easy to moderate, moderate to hard, and hard to very hard category. When I talk about these small weighted subject, you will get good marks from easy to moderate level questions. Sir, how should they plan about their revision, sir?
That is a very good question, Prateek sir. See students, when I talk about revision, sir, I will tell three mantras.
Yes, sir.
For every subject, remember students, you should have a formula sheet. For every subject, it should not exceed 5 to 10 pages.
Yes, sir. Pointers
Based on
are
that.
there. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Please.
We have the first one is the formula sheet. Second one is the classroom notes, sir. Second one, what we have is the classroom notes, student. See students, in classroom notes also, based on the weightage of the subject, that classroom short notes should consist. It should be consisting of around 20 pages. Now, my dear students, when you talk about, sir has already explained you, Prateek sir, when he has talking about surveying or when he is talking about RCC, in surveying we have every year on the topics like traversing and compass surveying and corrections on tape. Definitely we will have a question. In RCC, when you follow the basic formulas like single reinforced section, how do you calculate the moment? How do you calculate the lever arm? What is the maximum stress and strain values? These are the important areas. In addition to in RCC, you have to check the loss of pre-stress. And remember, my dear students, the most important thing in steel, you have to smallly concentrate on plastic analysis and eccentric connections on welded connections, or problems on welded connections and bolted connection based on the eccentricity. So these are the areas which are important in steel. Now coming to the memory techniques, so see students, you might be facing challenges when there are complete lot number of subjects. You have to remember these formulas. For this, I have a small technique for you. You can make the formula sheet of every subject like 2-3 days in your mobile as a screensaver, or in the WhatsApp photo you can keep it as your screensaver or something. So these areas you should be more focused, where the memory plays a very important role. Now we have Prateek sir. I want to ask Prateek sir a small question, sir. Sir,
Yes,
let
sir.
me tell you, sir,
Yeah.
as we are focusing on the last 50 days strategy.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if you want to summarize 3 points, what is the best solution for their 50-day strategy in your perspective?
So if I have to just summarize this, as Sandeep sir has told you how you should do your revision, I would just start with that point. My dear students, every subject has few common areas from where regular questions are asked. If you ask about environmental engineering, you will get regular questions from treatment of raw water, especially sedimentation analysis and disinfection. If I talk about wastewater, you will get regular questions from BOD and biological treatment of wastewater, that is trickling filter and activated sludge process. But over last 5 years, what we have observed that we are getting more questions from solid waste management and air pollution. So these are like very small topics and can result in good marks for your examination. Similarly, if I talk about strength of material, you have good chances of getting a question from principal stresses and deflection, and obviously in the alternate years you will get questions from simple stresses, bending stresses and torsion or shear stresses, right? Now once your revision is done, your revision will only be considered to be complete if you have given the subject test and the chapter test for that. My dear students, we at IMS Gate Academy, we provide you with test series where we provide you with chapter test, subject test, multiple subject test, advanced subject test and full length mock test with the video solution. This is the detail that we have. We provide you more than 135 tests, and these 135 tests is like a game changing thing for our students. Once they attempt all these tests, they clearly analyze what are the concepts they are lagging, where they are spending more time in solving, where they are making silly mistakes. Giving test is one part. Analyzing test is the most important part of your test series, because that test series is not just to have an idea about how much marks you are scoring, but test series is more important for getting yourself a feedback. How was your preparation? What are the weak concepts you have? And what are the common problem areas that you are having? That's why test series is the very important part, and especially in these last 50 days when you have done all the revision, test series is the best way to give the final shape to your preparation. With these words, I would just again like to invite Sandeep sir to give few more points and elaborate on these points as well.
See students, as Prateek sir has told, we have 3 mantras. First of all, formula sheet, classroom notes and revision strategy. See students, test series as sir has told, please concentrate more on the full length test series. As we are inching last minute 50 days,
Yes, sir.
full length mock test series is something like same as the gate environment, where the duration is 3 hours. Sir Prateek sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Like we have MCQs, multiple choice
Yes,
questions, NIT questions, fill in the blanks, but the most challenging part is multiple select questions.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell the students how to overcome the multiple select questions?
Yes, sir.
How to attempt that test, these type of questions?
multiple select question. My
Yeah.
dear students, first of all, initially when these type of questions were introduced in the gate examination, we were expecting that only theoretical questions can be multiple select question. But over last 4-5 years, what we observed that even the numericals are framed of these varieties. First of all, if a theoretical multiple select question is asked, and if you don't know anything about that particular concept, first of all, try to go with the option elimination method, right? Whichever option is the most incorrect option, you can just remove that. Okay, this is just one way of doing it. Second, for cracking these multiple select question, my dear students, you should actually know the depth of the concept, because these questions are not framed from the surface. They are actually containing some depth of the concept and from where these statements are framed. So in order to crack these questions, it's the best advice is read the concept thoroughly and practice more and more questions, especially theoretical questions, to crack these kind of statements for multiple select question. Sir, anything you would like to add
Sir,
here?
that is the most challenging part in multiple select question. As you told, the most important point is students, until unless you have a thorough knowledge on the concepts, you face a lot of difficulty in attempting the multiple select questions. My sincere advice for multiple select questions is you have to have a thorough knowledge. And the second thing is how to eliminate the options is the most best option if you have the thorough knowledge on the topics. And remember students, the most important point is if you want to have a difference in the gate rank, definitely multiple
Select question is the
plays a
game
very
changer.
important role. So just try to practice.
Yes, sir.
As we have done in the exercise book
Yes,
in
sir.
level 3 problems in
Yes,
IMS
sir.
Gate Academy, we have come up with only multiple select questions where you can practice more of these kind of questions, as these questions are very pretty new to the gate pattern.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason I want to
Even we
concentrate.
have included these multiple select question in the chapter test.
Yes,
Starting from chapter test, subject test, every type of test that we are providing contains these multiple select question. So our platform can be one of the best platform to practice these, especially multiple select question and numerical answer type question. Sir, one small data I would just like to give to my students. My dear students, if I talk about 100 marks of gate examination, you can crack gate examination, that is like secure 25 to 30 marks using multiple choice question. But if you want to have a good rank, you have to crack these multiple select question and numerical answer type question. Sir?
See students, the most important thing is individual students should assess their strength and weakness.
Yes, sir.
It is the time. See, some students might not have started at least some 2-3 subjects. They have not started the preparation at all. Then you have to have a proper strategy for that. If you talk about steel, so many students might be
Yes.
leaving this
Yes,
topic.
sir. Yes, sir.
But I will tell you, my dear students, bolted connections and welded connections with eccentric topic and plastic analysis. Please keep 20 hours of your time in these areas, where similarly in RCC or structure analysis, you have to be cautionate. As Prateek sir has told, in structure analysis, try to concentrate on moment distribution method, which
Yes,
is the
sir.
easiest
Yes, sir.
method.
Yes, sir.
In addition to, they might be facing challenges in the slope deflection, which is a time-taking process.
Yeah.
But if you talk about moment distribution method, this would be pretty easy. So in every subject, you have to identify. And the most important thing, students, you have to assess yourself that my rank is below 400 or my rank is below 100. You should start thinking that. For that rank, how many marks you should score and what is your preparation level at this juncture. If you have not done any preparation, then just target 5 subjects.
Yes, sir.
If they have done the preparation for 6 to 7 subjects, then you have to aim for 75 marks,
Exactly.
which is the roadway for
Yeah.
PSU or for
IITs.
IIT.
Yes.
So in this way, you are the best person to assess yourself. That is the one point I would like to more precisely tell you.
Yeah. So these are the few things, my dear students. If I just summarize how to attempt the test series, first of all, these test series are the simulation of real time, and they will help you to practice regularly, and especially they will help you to work on your time management skills to solve the question in the limited time, right? Practicing question is a different thing, and practicing question in the limited time is a different story. So these test series help you to in this time management. It also helps you to analyze your common and silly mistakes. And last but not the least, every topper of every examination takes his test series feedback very seriously. And test series feedback is the only way to improve your preparation. So test series is a like game changer thing in these last 50 days. Go for the test very rigorously. So this is all what we have to say. Me and Sandeep sir, I would just like to conclude few points with few news about our IMS Gate Academy. My dear students, if you want to get an update for all the PSU notifications and for all the other technical examination, please join our Telegram group. We post all these vacancies regularly. We even post the daily quizzes, and we are regularly conducting YouTube series to help you enhance your preparation and even boost your preparation through Gate Booster series. So if you want to have those details also, you can take the help of our Telegram group. The link is always provided in the description box, so you can just click that link to join our Telegram group. Now last, my dear students, we at IMS Gate Academy provide you with different types of courses that Sandeep sir will going to explain us.
See, students, when I talk about the IMS gate coaches, we are providing offline gate coaching at Vijayawada and also at Jayanagar in Bangalore. See, students, we have 3 types of model. One is the online classroom, one is the online program, other one is the offline program, and other one is the hybrid program. See, students, we at IMS Gate Academy provides 800 plus hours of gate coaching with the content very important for every for every success, you require a perfect material. In this material, we cover subject-wise material, we have the chapter material, and also the exercise book, which is very important, which includes level 1, level 2, level 3 questions. Apart from these students, we have a wonderful material for GATE question bank. It covers 30 years of previous year questions with a detailed solution. And there is a key pointer for every solution which will help you to practice the problem. In addition to these students, we have the test series like chapter test, subject test, advanced level test, multiple subject test, and also the All India mock test series. All these test series include 130 plus test series. And remember, my dear students, we have two beautiful features. One is the My Plan session, where the students can have one-to-one interaction with the concerned faculty, and all these weakness can be converted into strength. And my dear students, the last important thing at IMS Gate Academy, if you want to post a doubt in the doubt solving portal, you can easily post the doubt, and that doubt will be resolved within 24 hours of time. And we have Prateek sir. Let us conclude the most important way. What should be the last 50-day strategy? Sir, please conclude in a 2-pointer, and I will also give a 2-pointer to the students.
So first of all, my dear students, you have to allocate time as per the weightage of the subject. Second, you have to revise the subject using your formula sheets, and you have to practice all the previous year GATE questions in these last 50 days along with the test series.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, Prateek sir, what I would like to tell to the students is, if you have not started any subject, then please don't start that subject. Just focus on the important
topics.
Second important thing is, students, if you have to be thorough with the 5 subjects in civil engineering, especially geotechnical, transportation, environmental, engineering maths, and aptitude. With these 5 subjects, you can score almost 50 marks, which will be a roadway for your IIT admission. So all the best, students. So Prateek sir.
All the best, my dear students, and I wish you get the best of the rank with best of the scores. If for any guidance you require any help, call us at IMS Gate Academy. We are always ready to help you. So by these words, me and Sandeep sir just would like to wish you, sir, all the best, my dear students.
Civil engineering students.
Civil engineering students.
Thank you.
Okay.